Okay, we have a Bridgeport CNC and manual milling machine, model TRAK. It has a BP2M control, which is PC based. Serial number of the machine is BR277990E. We believe the machine was new in 2000. We're going to run it for you. That's the X axis. He's jogging it. The machine has a 9x48 table with 30 inches of X. You have 12 inches of Y as well. You have chrome ways on the dovetail. You have a 2 horsepower spindle. When you move the Z axis, which he just did, or the QUILL, it counts it on the control like a digital readout. Machine has a quick switch spindle taper. Slow gear. You have 60 to 4200 RPM. In the low gear, I don't know, it's like up to like 500 or 600 in the low. That's 150. Stopping, is putting in the high gear. That's the high gear. 1500. Again, it goes up to 4200. Machine's nice and quiet. You also have a Bridgeport automatic lubrication system. Machine's original paint. Hey, thank you for watching our video.